Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a single homeopathic medicine for your urticaria or hives. It is seen that in spite of getting lots of medications, lots of treatment, ointments, anti-allergic drugs, but these urticaria doesn't cure. So in this video, I will tell you about a single homeopathic medicine to cure your urticaria or hives permanently. So video is very informative. Watch till then. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about urticaria or hives. I have already mentioned or I have already uploaded a lots of video on the urticaria in which I have explained about its causes, symptoms, prevention and treatment. In this video, I will tell you only a single homeopathic medicine to cure your urticaria problem. Let's discuss about in short what is urticaria. Urticaria is a skin condition in which the patient develop the allergic reactions to the certain substances like these substances called the allergens. Like if patient develops the allergy to the certain food substances like egg, fish, honey, nuts, or the certain medications like ibuprofen, penicillin, aspirin, Disprin, and also patient develop the allergic reaction to the insect bite, mosquito bite. Even patient develop the allergic reaction to the stimulants like pressure, touch, cold and pressure, and also patient develop the allergy to the pet renders, so pollen grains, dust, pollution. So all these conditions can lead to the urticaria. Basically urticaria are the skin rashes. These are the raised very itchy bumps found on the skin surface. It can be found on everywhere in our body, on hands, on legs, on back, on your thighs, on your face. The rashes of the urticaria have the raised surfaces. These are the swollen reddish bumps found on the skin surface. These are the very itchy. Patient develop the severe itching, and after scratching there may be the burning sensation. Also there may be the stinging pain. The urticaria may be of two types. It's when it lasts for the several years, it calls as chronic urticaria. When this condition occurs sometimes before, this is called the acute urticaria. In urticaria, patient may develop these rashes, last for the minutes to the month, even for the years. So those patients who are suffering from the chronic urticaria or those who are suffering from the acute urticaria, this video is going to very helpful for you. Let's discuss about the homeopathic medicine for cure your urticaria. So today I will tell you a single homeopathic medicine which have the excellent results on the urticaria. It cure your chronic urticaria as well as your acute urticaria. The medicine will be the Apis mellifica. You have to take this Apis mellifica in a mother tincture form. Apis mellifica is one of the topmost medicine for the urticaria or hives condition on your body. The indication of the Apis mellifica, there may be the rashes which are the raised, and there may be the swelling on your skin surface. These lesions are the very itchy. Also it has the stinging pain or stitching pain, and also there may be the burning sensation after scratching, or if you have the rashes on your body, on your hands, on your legs, on your back. In all these conditions you can take this medicine. This medicine is a very helpful to cure your urticaria condition, because this medicine can reduces the symptoms associated like the swelling, redness, itching sensation. It can cure all these conditions, and also it cure your urticaria condition. It heals your chronic urticaria as well as your acute urticaria. Let's discuss about how to take this medicine. You have to discuss about how to take this medicine. You have to take 10 drops of Apis mellifica in 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 15 days. If you can take this medicine for 15 days only. But if you have the problem of the chronic urticaria, since you have suffering from the urticaria for a longer period of time, like that, if you are suffering from urticaria since 1 year, 2 years, even for the 5 years, you can take Apis mellifica in a mother tincture form, 10 drops in a 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day. Chronic urticaria, you have to take this Apis mellifica for a longer period of time, like you have to take this medicine for 6 months at least. You definitely will get very good result. Or also along with taking this medicine, you have to follow some precautions, like you have to avoid certain substances or food items, like you have to avoid egg, fish, nuts or honey, and also you have to avoid certain medications like aspirin, disprins or antibiotic, or also you have to avoid exposure to the dust pollution, or also you have to avoid the exposure to the pollen grains, pet vendors. Follow these precaution and also take this medicine, definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the urticaria. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.